It's your day in tech history, and it's brought to you by our friends over at DJI. Get yourself your own drone by going over to geekazine.com/DJI. Jeffrey Powers here. I welcome you to the Day in Tech History, a full rundown of technology history 7 days a week. Subscribe to the show via iTunes, Stitcher, or download right from dayintechhistory.com. Now let's find out what happened on this day, your day in tech history. July 10th, 1890, Nikola Tesla was born. He was considered to be the pioneer and father of technology. He died on January 7th of 1943. 1925, in Dayton, Tennessee, the so-called monkey trial began with John T. Scopes, a young high school science teacher accused of teaching evolution in violation of a state law against it. 1958, the first parking meters were installed in England. 1962, Telstar, the world's first communications satellite, was launched into orbit. Also in 1962, Niles Bohlin received a patent for the three-point seatbelt, which is the cross seatbelt we even use nowadays. 1981, Michael Scott, Apple's first president, leaves Apple after he lost control because of the Black Wednesday incident, where he almost fired half of the Apple II engineering team. He was technically fired on February 25th, but his official last day was today in 1981. 1985, Coca-Cola announced that it would resume selling the old formula Coke. 1989, Mel Blanc, Bugs Bunny, of course the voice to Bugs Bunny, passed away. And in 1997, London scientists report their DNA analysis findings from a Neanderthal skeleton, which support the out-of-Africa theory of human evolution, placing an African Eve at about 100,000 to 200,000 years old. And now this word from our friends over at DJI Technologies. Summertime, summertime. What to do during the summer? Well, let's go fly a drone. The Phantom 3 is now available for all your summer flying fun. In both professional and advanced models, the Phantom is one of the most popular drones out there, and it can make you feel like a kid again, just like when you got your first RC car many years ago. With video up to 4K, you can have fun taking overhead shots, aerial footage in parks, by the lake, or just fly over your house a few times to see how many of the kids' toys ended up on the roof, or if your roof survived the winter. I encourage you to go over to geekazine.com/DJI so you can get free shipping on that DJI Phantom, and it supports the Day in Tech History, and I thank you very much for that. Go over there, geekazine.com/DJI, then go out to the park and have some fun. Geeky fun with DJI. Now let's get back into your Day in Tech History. In 2007, Dell announced two new small business-oriented laser printers, the Dell 1320C color laser printer and the Dell 1125 mono multifunction laser printer. 1320C started at $300 to $350, and the 1125 went from $250. Also in 2007, former ATI Technology CEO Dave Orton resigns from AMD. He was CEO of ATI when they merged with AMD. Netflix goes down for a small period of time in the afternoon, and Commodore, who was bought by a Netherlands company, resurfaced as they unveiled some new gaming machines, prices starting at $1,700. 2008, Yahoo and Turner Broadcasting System announced on Thursday a multi-year content and advertising alliance. And Rambus sues NVIDIA of violating 17 patents on memory controllers and was seeking an injunction as well as monetary damages. 2009, Nine Inch Nails star Trent Reznor published the roadmap on how to make money with your music on the web without a record company behind you. And Warner Music begins talking with YouTube 6 months after their content disappears from the website. And in 2013, Apple and Amazon end their lawsuit over the use of the name App Store. And that's your Day in Tech History. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. All the show notes are over at wikizine.com, Geekazine's wiki. And of course, you can like the Facebook page and follow Twitter at Day in Tech Hist. Until tomorrow, take care. Day in Tech History is copyright 2015, JMP Enterprise and Geekazine.com.